Hi, everybody. I hope you're doing well. Happy Wednesday. Hope you brought stuff in for the bake sale. And today, what you're going to need is in your white packet, you're going to need 2.2 comparing distributions with the same mean. And the next page after it, 2.2 continued. Again, so in the white packet, 2.2 comparing distributions with the same mean and 2.2 continued. So just a quick review before I have you go work with your groups or work independently. Yesterday, we had 6 families. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in those 6 families, we had the following: 2 people in one, 4, 6, 3, 6, and 3. Okay. And we said the mean was 4. And we came about it in a few different ways. Okay. One of them was we had the Legos that I had out, and we said we had 24 Legos that we then split amongst the 6 families, and we had 4 people for a family. Then we had another 6 families, and the mean was also 4, but this time our data was we had 6, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Okay, and if I add those up, okay, that's 10 there, 7 and 7. Okay, and then 7 and 7 is 14 plus 10. So we also had 24. Okay, and then you had found out, this was part B, that again we had to split them into 6 families, and we got 4, and this also had a mean of 4. So again, I wanted to kind of review this before you went on today, because you're now going to, again, compare distributions. These both had the same mean. Hey, even though we had different medians, I believe this one was 3.5 and this one was 4. Okay, we had different medians, but we had the same mean, even though we had different size families. So keep that in mind in what we just went over. Again, we had 24 people here, but again, we had to split these 24 people once we put them together kind of in a pot, and then we split them among the 6 families, because we had said that the mean represents the leveling out. Okay, remember we had the Legos, and then I took the Legos and I shared them among these. Or you took the bar graph here and you took it and you shared them among all of the people, so that it came out that they all had, if we shared everybody equally, 4 people per house. And again, that's the idea that I want you to get through as we're working through this idea of the mean. So in today's class, again, after this, you can pause and work with your groups if you'd like, or work independently. The first part, it says make up a different set from 2.1 of 6 households that have a mean of 4 people. So again, you're going to do something different than this. Okay. And if it helps you, if you're not quite sure what was going on here, think of it this way. I had 2 here. I had 4 people here. Think of them as Legos. I had 6 people here. I had 3 here. I had 6 here. Okay. I had 3 here, and we had to move them around. Okay. So can you come up with another data set that has 6 people? 6 families with a mean of 4. Okay, so that's where we're going to have 6 families, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, that has a mean of 4. And see if you and your group can figure that out. Okay, there's many different answers for this, many, many, many different answers. Okay, the next one is, now we have 7 students have a mean of 3 people per household. So now we have 7 households, okay, and their mean is 3. So you really have to kind of think through what we're doing here. Once you come up with that, you're going to make an ordered bar graph and a line plot to look at your data. Then you're going to explain the following, how you can find the following on your graph. each person's household size, the total number of households, the total number of people combined in the households, and how you can use the information in A through C to find the mean. So you're kind of going to look today and see if you could figure out what's going on with that. A little bit higher level, I think you can do this. Okay, work with your groups, and then you can come back to Schoology to finish off the assignments.